Is there anyone other than yourself and Kate you know of making a full-time income from Amazon? Yes, is the answer to that. There's bloody heaps of us. And of course, it all depends how you define full-time income, because every definition is different to that. But I can tell you that according to Amazon, let's go get that. So Amazon's actually just released new data all about what's going on with Amazon. So this is their SEC filing, which they have to do, of course. And what can we find here? It's benefits 6 page. To all shareholders. It's in here somewhere. Amazon, empowering small businesses. Here we go. So more than 140,000 SMBs surpassed $100,000 in 2017. So that's directly from Amazon. And then they also just did a new one as well, where they gave some new information out. And that was from direct from Amazon again. So there are 20,000 worldwide businesses with sales of more than $1 million. So 20,000 people like you and me are making over $1 million on Amazon, which is pretty bloody cool when you think about it. Yeah, so that's great. And Anthony says here that he's making $8,000 a month. I guess that's full time, $2,000 a week. That'd be full-time income, I guess, $100,000 a year. And Lee is doing $10,000 a month, and Amy is at $14,000 a month. Kate, $32,000 a month, etc., etc., etc. So yes, is the short answer to that. Plenty of money to be made on Amazon in Australia. The trick is, of course, just like Anita has done, is to get off your ass and start making it. That's the trick. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.